Hello and welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the easy assembly of your portable workbench. Let's get started. After unboxing, the first step is to unfold the legs of the workbench. Ensure they lock securely into place. Now, raise the workbench to its upright position. Take the threaded rods provided and insert them into the designated holes on the sides of the workbench. Now, take the 4 included blocks and place them on top of the frame of the workbench. Next, place the timber table on top of these blocks and secure it using the provided bolts. Now, let's add handles. Secure the handles in place using the pins provided. Insert the pins through the handle attachment points on the sides of the workbench and make sure they are firmly secured. Lastly, install the clamping attachments to enhance your workbench's versatility. Attach them to the designated points on the workbench as needed for your projects. And there you have it. Your portable workbench is now fully assembled and ready for a wide range of projects. Whether you are working on DIY projects or need a sturdy surface for various tasks, this workbench has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this.